Gentlemen, let's talk about something most men rush or fumble, touching a woman's breasts. Many think it's just visual or a quick step before moving on. But here's the truth. When done with patience, consent, and care, breast touch isn't just about physical pleasure. It can deepen trust, build connection, and for some women, even lead to orgasm. This isn't about mechanical technique or tricks. It's about presence, emotional safety, and respect. I'm Dr. Emilia, a urologist and men's health expert, and today I'm going to share 9 quick evidence-based tips to touch her breasts in a way that drives her wild while strengthening intimacy and connection. First, consent and communication always come first. Ask her what feels good and what doesn't. A simple green, yellow, red code works great. Green to keep going, yellow to slow down, red to stop. This lowers anxiety, builds trust, and instantly makes the experience more arousing. Next, slow down and build anticipation. Avoid rushing straight to the nipples. Start wide with gentle strokes along her chest, collarbone, and the sides of her ribs. Light kisses along her neck and jawline help her body transition from guard to pleasure. Remember, the nervous system doesn't go from neutral to ecstasy instantly. Let her body warm up. Hold with care, not force. Think cradle, not pinch. Support the weight of her breasts with your whole hand. Alternate gentle compressions with stillness, and watch her cues, her breathing, soft sounds, and body movements tell you when she's enjoying it. This triggers oxytocin, the bonding hormone, and deepens emotional connection. Don't forget the areola. The areola is often as sensitive as the nipple, sometimes more. Trace slow circles or gentle spirals, teasing toward the nipple but backing off while supporting the tissue underneath. This mix of teasing and support can heighten pleasure dramatically. Use the dimmer switch approach. Start light and gradually increase intensity only if she enjoys it. Avoid sharp or rough moves. Lubrication can help reduce friction and make touch more comfortable and pleasurable. If she enjoys oral stimulation, use your mouth thoughtfully. Warm breath, gentle licks, soft suction, never harsh sucking or biting. Always follow her feedback and adjust accordingly. Combine touch with words and breath. Soft, genuine compliments and calm, low voice tones deepen the emotional connection. Matching her breathing rhythm signals safety and allows arousal to expand naturally. Pair breast touch with what actually brings her pleasure. Most women climax most reliably with clitoral stimulation, so combine that with breast play mindfully. Keep the focus on one variable at a time so her brain can lock onto the sensation. Finally, optional sensation play can enhance the experience. A cool fingertip, warm palm, or high-quality adjustable tools can heighten sensitivity. Only use these with enthusiastic consent and stop immediately if there's discomfort or any medical concerns. Here's the key takeaway. It's not about technique. The real skill is presence, patience, and emotional attunement. Women feel most aroused when they feel safe, desired, and understood. After intimacy, holding her, breathing together, and simply being close strengthens your connection far more than performance ever could. And remember, age doesn't limit intimacy. If anything, maturity brings patience, empathy, and confidence that younger men can't match. So start slow, stay intentional, be curious, and you'll not only give her more pleasure, but you'll also deepen your bond as a couple.